Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to download and install Sons of the Forest on PC. So let's get started. So if you want to download and install Sons of the Forest game on your PC, so to do that what you can do is follow some easy steps. First what you can do is just simply open up your Steam application. So if you have not installed Steam, what you can do is just simply install it. So through Steam, you can download and install Sons of the Forest game and then play it in your PC. So what you can do is just simply open up your Steam application. After opening up your Steam application, now in the top right corner, you will find this search bar. So in that search bar, what you can do is just simply search for Sons of the Forest. After typing in Sons of the Forest, now what you can do is just simply open this first search. So after opening it up, now if you just scroll down, then you will find this option where you have to add this game to your card, and after adding it you just have to pay 3.47.34 US dollars and you can access this game. So it is 30% off right now, so what you can do is just simply go ahead and pay the following price and you can install this in your device. So that's it guys, this is how to download and install Sons of the Forest on PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.